I have a word that is great for your GRE vocabulary, but just about negative for everything else. What am I talking about? Hi, I'm Chris of Target Test Prep, and today's word of the day is deleterious. Now, if you look at this word, you see the word delete in the very beginning. So this word means simply to delete something, or maybe it's similar to delirious, as in I'm delirious with joy over all these new words I'm learning. Actually, neither. Deleterious means very harmful to one's health, to the environment, whatever it might be. And so it's basically a very fancy PhD way of saying harmful to. Let me give you some examples. Eating junk food every single day can be deleterious to your health, right? Doesn't that sound a lot fancier than just saying, hey, junk food's bad for you? So next time, whip that out, either if you're watching someone eat junk food and they don't mind being criticized, or if you yourself, pop a quick snack there, you can say, oh, that's might be a little bit deleterious for me. Again, always use these words in context. To give you a more GRE-like example for deleterious, we could have something like, the environmental science warned that the use of microplastics can lead to long-term deleterious consequences, as they often find their way onto our dinner plate, be it in our sea salt or fish. So there you can see that, again, that negative impact has to do with health. Sometimes it relates to the environment or even social impact. You might hear the deleterious effects of social media. Just remember that deleterious doesn't mean to delete, though a good way to remember it is to think delete plus serious. Delete serious, deleterious. And so if something is seriously deletes your well-being, well, then that obviously is deleterious. Again, don't forget to use this word in context. And while it will improve your vocabulary doing so, it won't necessarily improve the thing you're describing. That's deleterious. For more similar videos like this one, don't forget to click on the link in the description below. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. My name is Chris of Target Test Prep, and I will see you next time.